Let's look at long division where the numbers involve 0 in them. Okay, so we need to see how do we divide numbers when 0 comes in picture. So let's take the first number. We need to divide 904 by 2. So let's start dividing. We pick the first number, which is 9. 2 fours are 8. We subtract them. Remainder is 1. We bring down this 0. So the number now becomes 10. Don't leave the number because it is 0. We need to use it. Now 2 fives are 10. Again subtract it. You are left with 0. We bring down this 4. Here 2 twos are 4. Subtract it and your answer is 0. So this means when we divide 904 by 2, the quotient is 452 and the remainder is 0. Let's move on to the next example. Divide 6205 by 3. Pick the first number again. 3 twos are 6. Subtract it. We get 0. Bring down 2. Now we know 2 is smaller than 3. So we cannot divide it. So what are we going to do here? We are going to bring down the next number also in the same step, which is 0. Remember, you can only bring down multiple numbers in the same step when your number is smaller than your divisor. So let's divide this. 3 and 20. So what is the closest we can get? 3 6 are 18. Subtract it, we get 2. Now we bring down this 5. Number becomes 25. 3 8s are 24. Subtract it again. Remainder is 1. We don't have any more numbers after this, so we are done. So 268 becomes your quotient and 1 is your remainder. Easy? Let's take another example. 4908 divided by 7. Now look here. 4 is smaller than 7. So what do? We group these two numbers and divide it by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Subtract it, you get 0. Now we have next number, we bring it down, which is 0. Now this is a special case. Okay, focus here, pay attention. When we bring down this 0, and as we do not have any number here, we also take this 0 upwards. So this becomes 7 and 0. Okay, this is a special case, which means when you are bringing this 0 down and your number which is formed here is still 0, you also have to put the same 0 in the quotient. Then we bring down this 8 in the next step because 0 is smaller than 7. We have 8, 7 ones are 7, subtract it, left with 1. No more numbers after this, we are done. So the quotient is 701 and your remainder is 1. Clear? Next example, 1605 divided by 4. Again, we group the numbers because 1 is smaller than 4. 4 fours are 16. Subtract it. 0 here. We bring down this 0. Again, we see that we have two zeros here, so this 0 also goes up. Bring down 5. Divide it. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 1. So 401 is your quotient and 1 is your remainder. The next example, 3800 divided by 9. So same thing. We make a group of 38 because 3 is smaller than 9. So we group it with the next number. Now what is the closest you can go here? 9 fours are 36. We divide it, your remainder is 2. We bring down this 0. Number becomes 20, right? Now we do not have to write the 0 up because we have a number which is 20. So what is the closest you can go? 9 twos are 18. Subtract it. 2. Bring down the next 0. You get 20 again. 9 twos are 18. Subtract it again. You are left with 2. No more numbers after this, so we stop here. So 422 becomes your quotient and 2 becomes your remainder. So I hope you liked all these different examples. It gives you an idea how to divide numbers when you get 0, when it is in the remainder, when it is in a number, and how you can divide them using long division. So keep watching, enjoy this video, and bye-bye.